Today's topic is water. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe, like and share my video. So let's start. Why we need water? When we are thirsty, we drink water. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water to live. Properties of water. Water has no smell, water has no taste, water has no color. From where do we get water? Rainwater is main source of water. Rainwater flows nearby river, pond and lake. This water is collected under a big tank. It is then cleaned and sent it to our homes through pipes. We get water from taps. So, source of water. We get water from natural and man-made source of water. Natural source of water. We get water from pond, lake, river, sea, ocean and sea. Lake. A large water body surrounded by land from all sides is called lake. Pond. A smaller water body surrounded by land is called pond. River. A large body of flowing water is called river. River originates from mountains and flows into the sea. Spring or waterfall. A spring or a waterfall is sudden downward flow of river water. Sea and ocean. Sea and ocean are big water bodies. They have salty water. Man-made source of water. Rainwater is collected under the ground is called groundwater. We use well and hand pump to get this water. This is called man-made source of water. Food contain water. We should drink a lot of water for good health. Some food items also contain water. Fruit contain water. Fruits like watermelon, apple and banana contain water. Milk and milk products such as curd contain water. Meat, egg and fish also contain some amount of water. Vegetables contain water. Vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, cucumber, cauliflower, brinjal contain a lot of water. Clean water. Water is precious. We must use it wisely. We must also keep it clean. Activities such as cleaning and washing are making water bodies dirty. Dirty or polluted water is harmful for us as it can cause many diseases. To keep water bodies clean, control the dirty water from factories into rivers. Stop washing clothes in water. Stop throwing garbage in the water. Water for drinking. We must drink clean water. Dirty water contains germs that may make us ill. So we use different methods to clean water. Before drinking, we can boil water to kill the germs present in it. We can also use water filter or a water purifier to kill the germs present in it. Water should be stored in clean and cover containers so that they remain clean. Save water. We must save water and take steps to stop wastage of water. Some means to save water are taking bath using bucket and mug and avoid using shower. Turn off the tap when water is not begin used. Mending taps that leak. Reusing water, for example, using water that was used to wash the vegetables to water the plants. Collecting the rain water and using it for different purposes. This is called rainwater harvesting. It is necessary to save water. Thank you.